Introduction to NYTD, Part 1, History and Implementation.
United, together we can spread the word so the foster youth voices can be heard.
Hi there. Let's talk about the National Youth in Transition Database, or NYTD as it is often called. NYTD is an important tool for tracking the independent living services provided to young people. It helps assess how states are improving youth outcomes through these services. Let's take a closer look at NYTD. As part of the Social Security Act's John H. Chafee Foster Care Program for Successful Transition to Adulthood, all states are provided government funding to develop programs that assist youth in making the transition from foster care to adulthood. To ensure states' progress, the Children's Bureau developed a data collection system for tracking the independent living services that states provide to youth. The Children's Bureau also developed outcome measures to assess how well states are doing in providing these services to prepare youth to live independently. Finally, the law requires the Children's Bureau to assess penalties on states that do not comply with NYTD reporting requirements. So how was NYTD developed? Well, let's take a look at this timeline. In 1999, the Foster Care Independence Act established the Chafee Foster Care Independence Program, including a requirement to establish a new data collection system to track services and outcomes. The next year, in 2000, a national work group convened to discuss how to measure services and outcomes for youth. Then, in 2001, the Children's Bureau conducted a pilot with 7 states and 1 American Indian tribe to field test the proposed data elements, definitions, and procedures. In 2006, the Children's Bureau issued a proposed rule that outlined the federal government's data collection requirements. Next, in 2008, the National Youth in Transition Database was officially established by federal regulation. Between 2008 and 2010, the Children's Bureau worked with states to implement NYTD. Data collection began on October 1st, 2010. Finally, in 2011, states submitted their first NYTD data file. For the first time at the annual NYTD conference, a national group of foster care alumni convened to review and discuss what we can learn from the NYTD data. Since 2011, states have been reporting data on services and outcomes every 6 months. United Rap, written by foster care alumni Kim Rose and Janae Swain, along with help from the state of California, California Department of Social Services, CDSS. Performed by Janae and Kim, the West Coast Flow. For more information, visit https://www.fosterclub.com/article/u-NYTD-rap. This video was developed in partnership with the Administration for Children and Families, the Children's Bureau, an office of the Administration for Children and Families, and the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. The end.